Beauty. So today I will be doing an unboxing initial review on some bundles that I did purchase from Aliexpress. So stay tuned. I wanted to purchase me some bundles. Y'all, when I tell you I get so much hair from different companies that I don't even know how to purchase bundles or a wig. I don't know how to purchase anything for myself anymore because I don't know what's popping, like what's the latest company that's popping on Amazon or AliExpress. Like I don't know nothing, so I literally had to do my homework all over again. So I did go over and make a purchase. Now I'm gonna let you guys know what happened. So my initial purchase was supposed to be 3 bundles of 18-inch with the 18-inch closure. That was for my mom. And another set was supposed to be 4 bundles of 24 inches with a 20-inch closure. Now we're going to talk about shipping. Shipping was extremely fast. I think I ordered it here like either on a Sunday or a Monday. I literally got it here on the Wednesday. So shipping was extremely fast. The customer service is amazing. It's amazing. When I received my package, I opened up the package. I'm gonna put a clip on the screen somewhere. I normally like to open up my packages on camera for you ladies. It's been a really long time since I bought here by myself. Let me just go ahead and check the package, make sure everything is in there. And I'm really glad that I did, because if I waited before I actually made this video, it probably would have been too late. They did send me 3 bundles of 18-inch with the 18-inch closure, as well as 4 bundles of 14-inch with a 20-inch closure. Now, when I seen my package, I was like, I did not order this. And I immediately called my mom like, girl, don't you know they sent me the wrong hair? So I did reach out to the company via the AliExpress app. That's how me and the person was communicating. This person was extremely sorry. I don't know if it was a male or female. They literally resolved the issue with no problem. So pretty much they gave me 2 options. They told me I can either keep the 4 bundles of 14-inch with a 20-inch closure and they just refund me my money, or I could just ship back the 4 bundles of 14-inch. Kind of on the skeptical side, even though I had no issues ever with AliExpress. You know, it's been a while, so I was like, oh my god, if I send this hair back, you know, is they gonna send me the correct hair, yada yada yada. Person assured me like, look, we will refund you the shipping fee. So whatever I paid at the post office, they definitely refund me that money. All I had to do was ship 4 bundles of 14-inch back to the warehouse, I believe. They then reship the correct bundles. So customer service is A+. So shout outs to Sapphire Hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open everything. So that's why I have 2 packages, because of the situation at hand that happened. Now I will be measuring everything to make sure that, you know, all the lengths is accurate and stuff like that. I normally don't do stuff like that, but I was like, hey, you know, let's switch it up, do something a little bit different. I want you ladies to stay tuned, because I will be doing a tutorial on how to bleach your lace knots. I did 2 videos on my channel on how to bleach the knots on a lace closure, and I also did a very detailed video on how to bleach your knots on a lace frontal or a lace frontal wig. I will leave those 2 videos down below so you ladies can go ahead and check it out. But I just want to have an up-to-date video, so I will be doing a tutorial using these 2 closures. I highly suggest, if you are going to purchase off of AliExpress, to always look at the reviews. Now let's get into the price. So I have everything. I have the AliExpress app pulled up on my phone for the... Now it says this is the Sapphire Bone Straight bundles with a closure. That came up to $107.10. That's a good deal. Now for the 4 bundles of 24 inches, that is also Sapphire's Brazilian Straight Human Hair, and that came up to $121.82. Now the closure was $53.05. Everything came up to $301.55. I'm gonna start off with the 20-inch closure. Now this is a middle part closure. It do have some baby hairs. The hair is extremely soft. I am not getting any shedding, and honestly for 20 inches this closure is really long. It do have just a slight smell to it. Nothing too bad. Like, it don't smell like a chemical smell. Alright, no, it's measuring about 20 inches. I didn't get no shedding with that. So we're going to try the 18-inch closure, see if we get any shedding. Now, these closures did not come with any hair net on it. I'm running my hair through this and it is extremely soft. I'm not getting any shedding. Yeah, it just have a slight smell to it. But it doesn't matter because before I make my wigs, I always wash my hair. Yeah, she stops at about 18 inches. Now, I like how they put the rubber band around each bundle so the bundles won't be slipping and sliding in the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and take all these plastic little things off to save some time, and I'll be back. So I took all 3 bundles of the 18-inch out. This here is really, really soft. It do have like a slight smell to it. It's not like a chemical smell, but it do have like a slight smell to it. I feel like the bundles is really big. Now, it do come with some care instructions. So if this is like your first time purchasing like bundle hair or virgin hair, it do come with some care instructions on how to care for the hair, as well as the texture, the length, and the color of the hair. So like I said, this is 3 bundles of 18 inches and it is in its natural color. I am not getting any shedding when I run my hair through each of these bundles. No shedding, no shedding. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure. I'm gonna just take my tape measure and actually measure where the track is. So I'm gonna put the metal piece all the way there, and I'm going to stretch this bundle out like so. Oh y'all, it's really accurate. Yep, it is really accurate. It's literally stopping at almost 19 inches. Okay, now on to the 4 bundles of 24 inches. So this is how the bundles are looking. The bundles are a little bit smaller because, you know, as you get longer length, the bundles tend to be small. No shedding at all. So tape measure. We're going to see how this bad boy measures. Yep, 24 inches. So on my final thoughts, everything was very accurate. It did have a slight smell. The length was very correct. There was no shedding when I ran my hands through it. But you guys know I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you guys an update. Maybe about a 1 or 2 month update. I want you ladies to stay tuned so when I do drop that video on how to bleach your knots on your lace closure, you ladies can be informed about that. But if you ladies have tried out Sapphire Hair, please let me know down below in the comment section. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know, you know, your experience. But if you ladies enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to smash that like button as well as smash that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you ladies later. Peace.